the waterfall. You see, this thing goes on for like ever.
Look at this. It's very clear. And
Yeah, it's you can like
see
see.
the bottom.
I feel like stepping.
It's not very like deep and all, but I mean,
putting
not
my
all
foot in.
waterfalls are deep. Don't put your foot in.
That's what I'm rocking.
You see, because over there, those are huge rocks that kind of stop some of the water from thingy. But here is nice and clear. No huge rocks or whatever.
Some little rocks.
Some of those rocks make a mini waterfall.
Let's try to get to one of the rocks. Mum, if I standing on that rock? Can you stand on that rock?
Drops phone. I know. This is how close I am to this water. If you fall in, nothing much is going to happen. It's like you're scared of getting wet.
I am.
I mean, it is like dirty water, so it wouldn't really be that nice and pleasant. Inspirational speech.
They won't stop the flow. The flow goes on in spite of the obstacles on the way. The flow keeps going, and the birds will be cheering. Can you hear that? The birds are cheering. Nature will be cheering you because you are meant to do it. Mother Nature doesn't have any favorites. Mother Nature is for everybody. Everybody. Mother Nature embraces everybody. She doesn't have any favorites. She doesn't discriminate. She doesn't pick one and leave the other.
So am I.
Mother Nature just gives everyone the space, the opportunities, the room.
This speech is coming from a nice flowing sound. This person is so creative.
Yours sincerely. Okay.
Yours sincerely, Tess.
Inspirational. Inspirational.